My name is Michael Gilmore and I'm the writer of Whizbang's blog, and today's Saturday Musings I thought we'd do something a little bit technical and a bit of fun. I thought I'd take you through my new video setup. I'm pretty excited about it and I hope you found the videos are a step above what I used to do many years ago, and I thought I'd show you some of the equipment. The first piece of equipment is this lapel microphone. This lapel microphone just here I'm pointing at across there is a Rode microphone, and they're fantastic. They really are. They pick up your voice and make it nice and rich and really easy to listen to. That's the first thing. The second thing I thought I'd show you is my workhorse camera. This camera here is a JVC. It's quite old. It's been around the world many times with me. It's a JVC video camera, and it's an HD camera, and it typically does the wide-angle shots for the video blogging. So if I've got another person I may be interviewing, then it comes and delivers those sort of shots. But anyway, so let me just get this thing fired up and see how we go. I thought I'd show you also these microphones right here. These two microphones, one there and there, for a person I may be interviewing face to face. They're the Rode Procaster microphone. Fantastic microphone, they really are. They're in a cage as well, you can see there, so that you can stop any sort of bouncing and ambient sound may occur. They're on the Rode stand, so I can then move the microphone anywhere I want to. With the Procaster, I speak directly into it. So that what I didn't want to have a situation where my voice was coming through the other microphone across here. And that works really well. The second thing is, obviously I got my computer down here, which is always a useful thing to have. I can control a lot of my effects and everything from my computer. That's just a Microsoft Surface, one of the latest ones of those, and it's outstanding, I must admit. The two main cameras I use is one on myself, which I'm looking at right now. This particular camera over there is a Panasonic HV800, and they're an outstanding camera. They really are. And I've got one there and also one over here, which I can then switch to. And so I can switch from that camera to this camera and back again if I want to, and I can do that all through this device right here. It's by Blackmagic Design. Fantastic device. It's purpose built for video bloggers, and I must admit it really is really good. So I can then switch between cameras just by clicking on these buttons here, or I can alter the amount of volume coming from my various inputs and so forth. In fact, you can see I've got the Rode lapel microphone going into the back as well, into this. It can take 4 HDMI inputs. There's also effects areas over here. It's small, it's compact, it's really useful. It's an outstanding device, I must admit. So I really like that. Attached to it though is this device, which is a Blackmagic Design Video Assist. So I can see which camera I'm currently on. I can flick between them, which camera is recording, because this will also record what's on the screen, which is absolutely outstanding. I love that, in fact. Yeah, so then I have next to the Video Assist is the Behringer Xenix QX1 222 USB. This is a mixer, and one of the reasons why I chose this one is that it's also got a graphic equalizer and an effects unit in it as well, and enough inputs to do whatever I wanted to. So if I had 3 or 4 people in here, I could actually control their volume levels and so forth. Yeah, of course I've got the internet connection and massive leads coming out the back. But one of the nice things about this is about the cameras, the HC V800, is I have them mounted on these clamps to the lighting stands. In fact, I've got a lighting rig up here and another one over there, and I wouldn't mind getting some more vertical lighting as well, just to give some sort of headlight on top. But I mounted the cameras there so I can then angle the cameras to whoever I want to actually speak, be in the focal sort of point. So here I am on this camera here, and it's great to have you guys with me. I hope you've enjoyed this. There's been a bit of time, I must admit, has gone into selecting all the different bits of equipment and to making sure that they're all plugged together correctly. And I'm sure, look, I'm on a journey. I'm having so much fun doing this. I hope you found that was useful for any of you out there thinking, gee, I might do some video blogging or anything. Then this is the setup. And how much did it cost? That's the magic sort of number. In terms of US dollars, it cost all off about about $3,500. There's one thing I did forget. My backdrop. The backdrop is just a fake brick wall. In fact, I can tap it there, and that costs a couple hundred Australian, but I think it's well worthwhile. But I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you found it was useful in your own sort of quest maybe to be a video blogger. Anyway, thanks a lot for that and have a great day.